Hi, I'll be doing exercise 8 for the chapter 5 homework, and it's asking me to modify a bar graph function. This one specifically. This one makes a bar graph that fills each bar with the color red, but the modification is to have 3 colors depending on the number, the number or the height of the length. And yeah, so to start off, we want to change. I copied this whole code here onto here before the video, so I had to do it and waste time. And so yeah, the first thing we need to do is change this so it doesn't have to be continuously red. And instead, it would change between yellow, red, or green depending on the height. With that in mind, I think it's safe to comment this out because we don't need it. And this requirement kind of question is asking us to do if statements. So yeah, I'll be doing the if statements in the for loop because that's where it's making the bars for the bar graph as well. Also, I want to clarify this function that the book has, jar bar. It's to make turtle t jar bar of height, just for clarifications. So to start off, if a is greater than 200, or if a is equal to 200, then t color will be blue because that's the outlining. We can just keep that the same. And then red because that's the requirement for a number that's greater than 200 or equal to 200. Next one is if a is greater than 100 but less than 199. It's important to mention that this is a parenthesis or open interval, so 200 is excluded, meaning that we keep the range at 199 instead. And this will be t color blue, yellow for the bar. And the last color green. The requirement is the number has to be less than 100, so if a is less than 100, t color is green. I think everything is in place. Yeah, I think it's safe enough to go for a test run. This should work. And there you have it. Just to check if it's right. Oops. 48 is less than 100, so it's green. 117 is greater than 100, but less 199, so it's yellow. 200 is equal to 200, so it's red. 240 is greater than 200, so it's red. 160 is greater than 100, but less than 199, so it's yellow. 260 is greater than 200, so it's red. And 220 is greater than 200, so it's red. Yep, everything is fine. And yeah, that's all for exercise 8.